so everybody give it up to Chika Dibia. That's right, give it up for Chika Dibia. Okay, all right, so thanks a lot, Chika, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. Okay, so Chika Dibia, you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. Okay, so Chi is, it's kind of like God's presence with you. It's almost kind of like the Holy Spirit. You know what I'm saying? It's God's presence in your life, right? And then Ka means bigger than, or stronger than, or just more powerful than, better, things like that. And Dibia is kind of like a native doctor or a spiritual healer, like a spiritual guide, someone that you go to you know, kind of like, they do a whole range of things in Igbo culture, right? They can do everything from curing ailments, like if you're sick, if you have, you know, any type of illness, or you have like a broken bone or anything like that, or some type of thing that's bothering you in life, to almost kind of being, I don't want to say a priest, but kind of like an intercessor between you and God. You know what I'm saying? So a dibia is someone who can have, who can influence your life and kind of bring through, you know, God's presence, or any type of healing, or any type of anything that you would want. You know what I'm saying? Any type of healing or any type of good thing into your life. You get what I'm saying? So you put all three of those things together, and you get Chika Dibia, which basically means God is stronger than the native doctor. God is stronger than the spiritual God. It's basically saying that, you know, you should follow God and not follow man, because, you know, a dibia is kind of like a priest or a healer, and, you know, they're a human being and they can kind of be flawed too and things like that, but just know that the power that they have comes from God. So it's like, don't glorify someone else. Know that, you know, God is in control, essentially. God is the one in control of your life. He's the one who allows the dibia to have the power. You know, he's the one who allows the priest, or allows any leader, or allows any pastor to bless and to heal and things like that. So, Chika Dibia. So never lose sight of God. Never lose sight of your Creator. Remember that God's presence in your life and God's healing in your life is stronger than what any person can do. Don't glorify other human beings and hold them up on a pedestal, because, you know, we all fall short. You know what I'm saying? Instead, follow and glorify God and hold him up on a pedestal, because God is perfect. Chika Dibia. Chika Dibia's names give them the power to overcome any obstacle that people place in their way. They're influential and very bold. Tag and share this video with all the chicas or Chika Dibias that you know. Thanks. Ndiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil wanawakwezo.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think of that translation? Chika Dibia, or short version, Chika. Do you know anyone named Chika? Send this to any Chika that you know. And if you really like this Igbo Name of the Day series, or if you like some of the hidden meanings or the life lessons in one of these names, let me know in the comment section down below. If you would like your very own Igbo name, maybe you're expecting a child, a new addition to your family, or you would like an Igbo name yourself, let me know. Anything that you would like to manifest into that child's life or into your own life, or anything you would like to speak into their life, any traits or qualities that you want to speak into that child's life or into your life, feel free to send me a DM as well too. My Instagram is linked in the description below. And I'll ask you some questions and I'll give you the perfect Igbo name that'll match what you have in mind. Our people believe that the power and the essence and blessings from God are spoken into that person's life every time their name is said, right? So think of it as like a built-in way to always walk in success, walk in excellence anytime someone calls your name. I think that's something that we as a people kind of take for granted. I think Nigerians kind of have a reputation for having, for being professionals and, you know, just really striving hard to be the elite people. You get what I'm saying? And I think a lot of that comes from the power behind our names and the subconscious. I don't even think we realize it a lot of times. The subconscious things that are, you know, spoken into existence and manifest anytime someone says our name. I don't even think we realize it. So that's something that I want to share with everyone in the diaspora. If you would like your very own Igbo name, let me know and I can give you one on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And if you are Igbo, we can celebrate your name and translate as well too on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you like watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. All of your engagement on this YouTube channel is great because it helps the YouTube algorithm share this content and recommend it to people just like you who are interested in African culture. So every like and comment goes a really long way, so I appreciate it. Please keep doing that. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next. So I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Keep watching to the end and you'll probably see another video, another suggestion for another Igbo Name of the Day, or maybe even something that has to do with photography because I'm a photographer, right? So take care and I will see you in the next video.